Ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause again for the Wong Shun Kung Fu Lion dancers for their amazing performance. Well, ladies and gentlemen, on this beautiful sunny day here in Victoria, I want to welcome you to the 2011 Canada Dry Victoria Dragon Boat Festival. I want to quickly introduce myself. My name is Al Farabee. I do a morning show at local radio station CFAX 1070, and I'm pleased to be your MC for this exciting traditional opening event. And what you are about to witness is a 2,000-year-old ceremony called the Awakening of the Dragon. It's an ancient ritual that must take place before any of the dragon boats can race, and it will leave you spellbound and really get you into the dragon boat spirit. Now, the City of Victoria has been a long-term supporter of this great event, and to welcome you to our great city on behalf of the City of Victoria, I'm pleased to introduce to you Acting Mayor Marianne Alto.
Well, thank you very much. It's a great pleasure and a privilege to be here on behalf of the Mayor and all of City Council to welcome you here today, and to welcome the volunteers and the paddlers and the spectators and the visitors to what is really an extraordinary event. We're going to see the beginning of the traditional ceremonies, but that's just the beginning of the weekend, and I hope that you'll all return throughout this evening, tomorrow, and Sunday. You're going to have a fantastic time, and it's a privilege for Victoria to host once again this tremendous, tremendous festival. So I wish good luck to all the paddlers and the teams. I'm sure we all wish that they all have fair winds and good paddling conditions. Welcome again, and have a great weekend.
Thank you, Acting Mayor Alto. Now, I would like to introduce the chair of the Victoria Dragon Boat Festival. Ladies and gentlemen, will you please welcome Mark Gray Draper. Mark.
On behalf of the Victoria Dragon Boat Festival Society, I would like to thank everyone for coming out this afternoon. We would also like to thank our sponsors and community partners whose support makes this festival possible